This is the Adax VV21 CA electric fan heater. This heater is a very modern looking, stylish, portable desktop or tabletop heater. It has a rugged metal casing, also a metal grill. At the rear we have a changeable changeable and washable dust filter, which simply removes and can be cleaned. And at the front there are two heat settings, low and high, which are operated simply by rotating the control knob. Low is 800 watt power output and high is 1200 watt power output for larger rooms. It uses a ceramic self-regulating heating element, which is an efficient method of electric heating. So we'll turn it on, starting with the 800 watt setting. You'll notice it's not too loud, and I can tell you that it lets out a decent amount of heat. You can see the light goes on over here. And at high mode you switch to off again, and then up to high, which is 1200 watts. And that's the Adax VV21 CA. This is an ideal portable solution for office, home, caravans, anywhere where you need a convenient heater that you can move around and take with you. I'm impressed by the build quality. The steel casing really is brilliant, and for the price range you won't get better.